Time to get at the front yard now. Couldn't have picked a better day. It's absolutely beautiful. Comment was left on the last video saying your yard's compacted, you need to aerate. We're gonna do that today. Good idea. So let's come in here, a little dark, sorry about that. And we're doing it manual. Why manual? Well, I could use the exercise, and that's really about it. But the backyard, look at that. It's looking pretty good. Looking real good, actually. Got a little friend helping me with that. Talk more about him later. The tool that I'm using for this is the Lawn Butler Core Aerator. This sells for around $45 on Amazon. It has dual 4-inch tines that are spaced roughly 6 inches apart. This is perfect for smaller lawns or when you just need to aerate a small section of your lawn. Now, if you have a larger lawn, do not hesitate. Go rent yourself a powered aerator. This is going to make quick work of the larger areas, but just because it's powered, don't be fooled. A powered aerator is still going to give you a pretty intense workout. Why would you aerate your lawn? Aeration helps with compaction, and a lawn that is compacted can have negative effects on your grass. A healthy lawn requires oxygen, water, and nutrients to be able to reach the root zone of the grass. Aeration will open up the soil, allowing these nutrients to reach where they need and give you a healthier lawn. Aeration will also help during periods of stress. Allowing water to reach deeper into the soil will encourage root growth, as the roots will grow deeper to reach water further below the surface. This is extremely important when you are faced with extreme conditions such as extreme heat or drought. And while not a replacement for traditional dethatching, aerating your lawn will help in a small amount at reducing some of your thatch. When to aerate your lawn. The time to aerate your lawn depends on the type of grass that you have. Aeration can be a destructive process, and you want to perform this when your lawn has ample time to recover. Currently I have a Bermuda lawn, but I am transitioning back to Bermuda, so spring is the perfect time to aerate my lawn. The Bermuda is getting ready to enter its growing season, and there will be plenty of time to recover. Now, if you have a cool season lawn, it is best to wait until fall to perform an aeration, preferably just before you overseed. This will give you ample time for both the new seed to germinate as well as your existing grass to recover from the aeration. Well, one thing, core aeration creates a huge mess in the lawn, and what you do with all the cores, well, that can be kind of controversial. I personally collect all the cores and dispose of them, either in a compost bin, put them in a low area of the lawn. I just get them off the lawn. I reel mow, and having the cores on the ground, running them over with a reel mower will damage my mower. Now, if you have a rotary mower, it's entirely possible just to mow over them, break them back up. But be advised, if you do that, it is recommended to sharpen your mower blades afterwards. Now with your aeration complete, you're going to be left with a lot of holes in your lawn. And what do you do with those? Well, you can leave them and not worry about it. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. But you do have the option to backfill these holes. Now, backfilling them with just normal soil, that's pointless. You just took that up. However, some people do backfill with compost, a mixture of compost and sand, or my preferred method on backfilling is just pure sand. Pure sand is honestly going to give you the best results. It's not going to affect your drainage, and you will also not have the chance of introducing weed seeds from the compost or increasing the organic content of your soil too high, which could lead to your yard becoming a little bit mushy. And finally, there are other types of aeration tools available. There will be solid tine aerators and also aerators that just slice into the soil, and while they could be used, it's a lot easier to find a core aerator than a slicing aerator or a solid tine aerator, especially for use on your home lawn. So there we have it. It's done. It took me probably, I started around 11:30. It is currently a little after 3 o'clock, several breaks, fixing the kids' lunch. Yeah, so I'd say maybe a little over 2 hours of actual work during that time. And the front yard is now aerated. You're welcome. The next part of the revitalization of the front yard, which will be killing the KBG, and then that will reveal how many actual plugs I'm gonna have to take from the back. So yeah, a lot of fun. Until next time, it's Mike. We'll see you.